So this is the final submission to the Opera GX Game Jam. I titled it Space Junk, and this is what it is. It has audio, but you can't hear it because free recorder. It was a fairly simple design process with some setbacks and bugs, most of which were fixed, one of which was fixed by J. Farrell Animates yesterday. He figured out why the end screen wouldn't take you back to the beginning when you pressed enter. So big props on him. I like how it turned out. It's incredibly good. Incredibly cool. Incredibly well made. Not likely to win. Not likely to get recognition, but still kinda correct.